I keep seeing people try to monetize their hobbies the hard way, and there's a much easier monthly way. So I keep noticing people over 50 trying to turn a hobby into income by selling products. And they can get really exhausted really fast because it's not the hobby, it's the business model that they're using. You see, when you focus on one-time sales, there's a constant hustle, a never-ending amount of work. And when you focus on monthly income, you build it once and then you serve it repeatedly. So you can have that monthly income that I talk about constantly in all my videos. That's my 3R drumbeat. Income that's remote, reliable, and recurring. To me, that's the holy grail, and I hope it is for you too. So there's 3 models I want to chat with you about today. Model number A is sort of the club, the membership. It's a monthly community, it's a simple guidance. An example is Quilt Finishers Club, focusing on finishing that quilt making. Or maybe a balcony garden club. Or maybe a front porch gardening club. So this works when people want motivation and they want feedback. Model number 2, or model B, is the support plan, subscription coaching and done with you. So that means monthly check-ins, troubleshooting, accountability. It's surprising to me the number of people that really need your help. Not so much for the how-to, it's more about the accountability, more about keeping them on track. So something like might be an example there is family history monthly support for genealogy. This works when people get stuck and they want a guide. And then lastly is what I call Model C, the monthly kit. It's got templates, it's got plans, it's got a little bit of help, monthly PDFs, checklists, patterns, lesson prompts. An example might be 12 months of woodworking plans. And then you break that down, and each month there's going to be a new project that everybody gets to start. This works really well when people want direction without high-touch coaching. So to sum that up, if people want community and they want motivation, then we're going to have that little club model. If they want feedback and they want fixes to what they're doing, that's a support plan. If people need step-by-step direction, that's some kind of monthly kit that you can put together. All 3 work great, and all 3 can work combined into whatever help people want from you. Most people start with a product because it feels normal. But products usually require inventory, shipping, customer service, and non-stop marketing. So if you want monthly income, then what we need to do is sell the result and sell the support. So if you would, comment down below on your hobby and tell us all of which 3 models might fit best for you and what your monthly offer could be. And then down below also, I've got a link to my school, and it's free, and you can come in there and get started. So I look forward to helping you, and this is what I love to do. So I'll see you on the inside.